Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing 8-10 pounds of apples. A blend of sweet and tart gives complexity. Once chosen, sanitize your fermenter, airlock, and siphon. Use a 0.25% sanitizer solution to prevent contamination. Now crush or press the fruit to extract 1-2 gallons of juice and measure specific gravity. This tells you potential alcohol. Make sure to remove stems and bad spots before pressing. This reduces off flavors and speeds fermentation when you pitch yeast. Once you have juice, measure specific gravity and target 0.45 0.60. If low, add sugar in stages so osmotic shock is minimized. Make sure to adjust acidity to pH 3.43. 6. For yeast health and flavor, add tannins or oak if the cider needs body. Rehydrate your chosen yeast and pitch at the recommended rate, usually 1 packet per 5 gallons. Then aerate the must for 60-90 seconds to supply oxygen for a strong, healthy fermentation start. You ferment for 7-14 days at 60-70 degrees F until specific gravity holds steady for 2 days. This indicates primary is done. Once stable, rack to a secondary vessel for 2-8 weeks to clear and mature. At this point, choose to sweeten or chemically stabilize before bottling if you want residual sweetness. Bottle with the correct priming sugar for desired carbonation or keg and cold crash to clarify. If fermentation restarts or bottles overcarbonate, cool immediately and vent a bottle to relieve pressure. That helps troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.